A calm mind isn't a luxury, it's a practice. 8 affirmations for instant peace. Let's start. I am calm. I am calm. I can quiet myself quickly. I can quiet myself quickly. I breathe slowly. I breathe slowly. People feel my calmness. People feel my calmness. Every day I relax. Every day I relax. Today I find peace. Today I find peace. I am centered. I am centered. I still my mind easily. I still my mind easily. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.